Hello, today I will repair this old navigation which seems to have an issue with the screen or the ribbon cable or who knows. It's hard to diagnose until I do not open it. But this is the behavior, so let's start repairing it. Let's start tear down. So this is the behavior. The screen is flickering. I find the position is working, but that's it. Start the power supply and let's do the taking down of the unit. Most important is to find the right bit. Here we have a ribbon cable connection between these two units. So we can do one by one. As you can see, they are moving. Not too hard. Okay. We remove the first unit. Now we have the second unit. The backlight. Commands, and here I think we have the screen cable. So gently remove it. I think the issue is in this area, but I will take a look closer. Now the screen is out. Okay, something is holding, but I don't know what. Okay, so the screws from the side are holding only the buttons, and the center it's holding the screen. So this I need to assemble back quickly. Okay. Now we have a different type of screw. We have some clips on the sides. Seems to be hard to remove them. So let's have a fast inspection of the ribbon cable. I will hold it to the light to see if any trace is bad. And then I will check the solders of each pad. This I will do it under the microscope to see if any of this trace is loose. Okay, we are back. Have resoldered fast these pads. I will clean with alcohol. Alcohol. I will blow a little hot air, but just a little, only to dry it. I will speed up the drying process. This is the screen assemble. What I will do, I will check first also on the board where the screen ribbon cable is going from the screen to the main unit. Okay. Seems I don't have any screws. I'm trying to remove it gently without bending this piece to fit back in perfectly. It has been popped out. We will have a fast inspection. Everything. Okay, seems to be no issues on this side. For the moment, I will put the cover back and connect the secondary unit and try to run a short test to see how it's responding the screen. Secondary unit is here. Okay, hard one to put the screen back. Trying to fit it perfectly, not to be from one side or bend it too much. Okay, let's do a different approach where I can see more. In this side I don't see any clip. I just need to press it and press it correctly until the end. So let's connect this one also. And I think I will need to connect the buttons somehow. Just running a short test. Okay, the screen, the units give the power 1 amp. Okay, as you can see, the screen, it's not flickering anymore. It's dirty, so let's move a little bit the ribbon cable. Nothing happens. So the first test looks great. Let's assemble it and have the final test in the position and move the screen and so on. In 0, 5, 1, 0. Okay, with the safe wire connected, the unit is working. Okay, for some reason it's telling us the CD is broken, but that's another story. The main issue was the screen flickering. So as you can see, everything it's working. Okay, I will finish put all the screws back and the metal plate here in the back, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.